The first place winner will receive $25,000 in essential home improvement. I'm Sergey Kaminskiy, President and CEO of the Kaminskiy brand. I'm here with Kimberly, our Operations Manager with Kaminskiy Design and Remodeling, and Olaide, our partner in Kaminskiy Care and Repair. We're thrilled to announce the launch of the Kaminskiy Gives Back campaign. The first place winner will receive $25,000 in essential home improvement. This is our way of honoring our incredible first responders, veterans, and senior citizens.
Starting September 11th, we want to hear from you. Share your stories of why you or someone you know needs essential home improvements or repairs. Together, we can uplift our community and make a positive difference in people's lives.
Second and third place winners will each receive $5,000 in home improvement. This is all about giving back to those who have given so much to us.
We believe that everyone deserves a safe and beautiful home. So let's come together to support our heroes. Mark your calendars. Application runs from September 11th to October 2nd, and winners will be announced on October 11th.
Follow the instructions below to nominate yourself or someone you know. We're looking forward to hearing your stories.
Thank you.